The world of digital creation, a realm where imagination meets technology, is evolving faster than ever. The pace of innovation is truly breathtaking. Today, June 11th, 2025, marks a pivotal leap. Unreal Engine 5.6 is here. This isn't just an update. It's a game changer for developers, filmmakers, and 3D artists everywhere. Tools once reserved for massive studios are now accessible to everyone, from solo indies to large teams. Unreal Engine 5.6 tackles long-standing challenges: hyper-realistic digital humans, vast detailed environments, and streamlined animation workflows, all with improved performance and a cleaner interface. It's not about more features, but about rethinking the entire creative pipeline, optimizing every step for maximum efficiency and creative freedom. We'll guide you through the most transformative features: the in-engine metahuman creator, revolutionary clothing simulation, real-time facial animation, expanded nanite technology, and stunning new rendering capabilities. Each section will break down these innovations, showing why this update is a true game changer. Whether you're a veteran, a newcomer, or just curious, Unreal Engine 5.6 is set to redefine your expectations. Prepare to be amazed by what's now possible. The barriers to high-fidelity, immersive experiences are falling. The tools to build tomorrow's worlds are more powerful and accessible than ever. This is a new era for digital storytelling. Let's dive in and see how Unreal Engine 5.6 is setting a new standard for real-time 3D. It's time to unleash your creativity. Creating convincing digital humans used to require expert teams and expensive tools. Now, Unreal Engine 5.6 brings the metahuman creator directly into the editor, letting you generate and customize realistic characters without leaving your project. You get granular control over faces, bodies, and silhouettes, sculpting unique digital actors with intuitive sliders. See your character in your scene's lighting in real time. The new Mesh to Metahuman feature lets you import custom meshes, scans, sculpts, or base models, and instantly convert them into fully rigged, animation-ready metahumans. This bridges bespoke character art with Epic's powerful framework, opening the door to endless creative possibilities. Studios and artists can now bring their own unique characters into the metahuman pipeline, benefiting from advanced rigging and animation. What was once science fiction, scanning an actor and animating their digital double in minutes, is now reality for every Unreal Engine 5.6 user. A believable character is more than just a detailed model. It requires a soul, a presence that resonates with players. It's about movement, the subtle nuances of expression, and how they convey emotion. Every twitch, every blink tells a story. Unreal Engine 5.6 introduces Chaos Cloth, a game-changing addition to character creation. This is a new system designed for realistic, real-time cloth simulation, bringing unparalleled levels of detail to your character's attire. It responds dynamically to movement and the surrounding environment, creating a truly believable visual experience. Fabrics now behave with true weight and flow, reacting naturally to gravity and wind. This adds a new layer of immersion to every character, making them feel more real and tangible. The workflow is streamlined, making it easier than ever to implement these advanced features. You can now set up complex clothing directly in the editor without the need for external tools or plugins. This allows for high-fidelity simulation running in real time, giving you instant feedback on your designs. This works seamlessly, even on layered garments, ensuring realistic movement no matter the complexity. Dynamic clothing is now an integral part of gameplay, not just limited to pre-rendered cutscenes, enhancing the interactive experience. The new real-time facial animation system works with standard cameras, making it accessible to everyone. There's no need for expensive hardware, democratizing the process of creating realistic facial animations. Capture subtle facial expressions with a simple webcam or even your smartphone, bringing your characters to life with ease. Then map those expressions directly onto metahumans, creating incredibly realistic digital characters. The audio-driven animation system generates convincing lip sync from any dialogue, automatically synchronizing mouth movements with spoken words. This saves valuable time and significantly boosts the overall quality of your animations. These tools truly democratize performance capture, empowering creators of all levels to achieve stunning results. This makes high-quality animation accessible to all, from indie developers to AAA studios, leveling the playing field. Artists can now focus on the key emotional moments and artistic direction, while the engine intelligently handles the heavy lifting for thousands of lines of dialogue, freeing up valuable time and resources. Nanite changed the game for environmental art, and now it's even bigger. Unreal Engine 5.6 brings Nanite to characters and deforming meshes, enabling millions of polygons per character. No more baking details into normal maps. Artists can use true sculpted geometry for skin, clothing, and armor, with crisp detail at any distance or lighting. Nanite now covers foliage and landscapes too, rendering dense forests and intricate terrain with real 3D detail, not 2D billboards. Every tree, bush, and blade of grass can be unique and high poly, creating organic, immersive worlds. Landscapes gain unprecedented geometric detail, from overhangs to fine ground textures. Nanite everywhere means artists are free from technical limits, building worlds and characters with cinematic quality. The engine intelligently streams and renders all this detail in real time, keeping performance high. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a new paradigm for 3D world building. The creative ceiling has been shattered. Realistic reflections on glass and water have long been a challenge, until now. Unreal Engine 5.6 introduces high-quality ray-traced reflections on translucent materials, delivering accurate, physically correct visuals. Windows, water, and frosted glass now reflect their surroundings with stunning clarity and realism. The system models light on rough and smooth surfaces, creating dynamic, immersive scenes. Water reflects sky, landscape, and characters with true-to-life fidelity. First-person rendering gets a dedicated mode, solving issues like clipping and inconsistent lighting for hands and weapons. The result: heightened immersion and believable interactions. These aren't just technical fixes, they transform the player's experience. Combined with improved lighting, Unreal Engine 5.6 blurs the line between virtual and real. Visual storytelling has never looked this good. Stunning visuals mean little without smooth performance. Unreal Engine 5.6 delivers major optimizations, targeting low frame rates and stuttering. The rendering thread is now more efficient, boosting frame rates in complex scenes. A new shader pre-caching system eliminates stutters by compiling shaders before they're needed. The result: seamless gameplay, even in vast open worlds. Developers can push more dynamic lights, effects, and interactivity without sacrificing performance. Stable frame rates are crucial for fast-paced and competitive games. Epic's optimizations address bottlenecks across the engine, from CPU to GPU. High-fidelity visuals are now practical on a wide range of hardware. Unreal Engine 5.6 makes smooth, immersive gaming a reality for everyone. Unreal Engine's animation tools just got even better. Sequencer now features editable motion trails, see and sculpt animation paths directly in the 3D viewport for faster, more intuitive control. Quality of life improvements streamline rigging, skinning, and keyframing, keeping artists in their creative flow. Morph targets, blend shapes, can now be created and edited in-engine with sculpting brushes for instant feedback under final lighting. No more exporting to external apps. Make subtle expression tweaks or corrective shapes right inside Unreal. This integrated workflow saves time and empowers artists to achieve better results. Unreal Engine is becoming a true all-in-one creation platform, reducing reliance on complex pipelines. The result: a more streamlined, accessible, and cohesive process for every 3D project. Procedural animation for character movement has always been complex until now. The new Rig Logic motor generates high-quality walking and running animations in real time, adapting to terrain and movement without pre-made clips. It handles foot placement, posture, and turns automatically, freeing animators to focus on expressive hero moments. Unreal Engine 5.6 also brings a refreshed, modern interface, cleaner, easier to navigate, and more efficient. Menus are reorganized, workflows streamlined, and customization improved, all based on user feedback. Small changes add up to a dramatically better development experience. A pleasant, efficient tool boosts productivity and morale. Epic's commitment to refining the user experience makes Unreal Engine 5.6 a joy to use for artists and developers alike. Unreal Engine 5.6 is more than just a collection of new features and incremental improvements. It's a powerful and comprehensive platform meticulously designed to tear down the barriers that once stood in the way of high-end 3D creation. It's about accessibility and empowerment. MetaHuman Creator and Mesh to MetaHuman democratize the creation of elite digital characters, making them accessible to all creators regardless of their background or team size. Chaos, cloth, and real-time animation empower you to breathe life into these characters with unprecedented ease and realism. Nanite's expansion frees artists from the constraints of polygon budgets, enabling the creation of truly cinematic worlds and incredibly detailed characters. Every feature works together, with improved rendering capabilities, enhanced performance, and a suite of intuitive artistic tools to streamline and accelerate the entire development pipeline. This update democratizes creation, empowering small teams and even solo creators. They now have access to tools and technologies that were once exclusively reserved for the biggest and most well-funded studios. The playing field is leveled, meaning that ambitious visions can finally become a reality without having to compromise on quality or scope. Unreal Engine 5.6 is an invitation to create, a challenge to dream bigger, push further, and redefine what's possible in interactive entertainment. The future of games, film, and interactive media will be built by a more empowered, more diverse, and more innovative generation of creators than ever before. With this foundation, the possibilities are truly limitless, and the potential for groundbreaking innovation is boundless. The next era of digital storytelling begins now, fueled by the power of Unreal Engine.